Mark here with Campfire Cards. We just sold our first card on TCGplayer here. My boys and I, we're figuring out how to sell Pokemon cards and wanted to kind of show the process here. So here's one order that we put out here the other day with Crown Zenith Rayquaza VMAX, Jack's first card that he sold. And then I'll show you now in the next video how we packed the order.
Ready?
Jack's first order, selling one of his Pokemon cards. Now we're gonna weigh it to make sure it's under 1 ounce. All right. Follow along with our channel if you want to learn how to do this too, and come along with the journey as we figure out how to fulfill orders and sell Pokemon cards. All right, thank you.